Hey guys, this is Cup of Jabba. Just went for a jog, as you can tell, but maybe we're overthinking the stinky washer, huh? Treat it like a shower. Treat it like a shower. Scrubbing bubbles. Just treat it like a shower, guys. And then wipe it down. Then spray it. There is, take a sponge and wipe it down. It's just like a big shower for your clothes, guys. Let's not overthink this. It smells better already. I thought of this while cleaning my own shower. And it just smells better, guys. Thank you for watching. Think y'all got it from here. Alright, I'll see you later.